What's up, guys? You join me under the engine bay. So we're gonna be talking about the air oil separator that I have. I have the custom bracketry being made. 2 days from now on Friday, I'll be going to the shop, dropping off the car, and they'll be test fitting it, building me a bracket, powder coating it, and mounting it onto the car. So you can see that there's not really any space anywhere in this engine bay to put anything. The only space available that I saw was back here. And you see there's actually a threaded hole right here too that's just not being used by anything. So I decided, hey, let's try to mount it right here. And it's close enough that I can snake all the lines over into the PCV line that's over here under the engine cover. So I'll try to pop this off real quick and show you guys. All right, move this over. Yeah, so the line that we need access to is this one right here. For the kit, you need to cut this line, and then you'll feed in two new hoses into it. One that comes from the PCV and one that goes into the manifold. All right, you can see me here at Crown Concept. They're the ones who built my custom bracket for me. Here's the car looking good. So we're gonna go inside, take a look around, and check out the bracket. These are all Radical race cars? Yeah. Jeez, so cool. Then powder coating's in here, right? Yeah, cool. Paint, dang, one-stop shop for everything.
Occupancy like a week ago.
Nice. All right, so we have the custom bracket made. Thank you, Crown. This thing looks awesome. It's steel. They powder coated it as well in black, so it looks OEM plus. Don't mind my dusty engine bay. Yeah, it looks super good. So next we're gonna try fitting these wires and having them reach up to the front. Hopefully it fits because I do want to run this tomorrow at the race event. If not, we'll just have to get longer hoses and run it a separate time. But yeah, looks pretty good. Super happy with the outcome. Thank you again, Crown. All right, so we're about to try test fitting these lines first before we do any cutting. But you can see here, this is why we're getting a catch can. You can see oils here going back into the intake manifold. So the catch can is going to be filtering out that oil and allowing fresh air to go back in. And that'll stop the octane from dropping because it's going to mix with oil. So after we try to test fitting this, we will continue video. All right, so first step is done, getting this 90-degree fitting going back down to the PCV. So PCV, the air is going to come up, going through here to the top, go inside the filter, come back out through this line, and we're going to set up this line second. We have a second OEM PCV hose that we're going to use. Just in case we need extra room, we can use the full size, but I think we'll fit this on, see how much room we need, and then we'll cut off whatever we don't need. All right, so the latest update is we used that extra new PCV hose that I bought. They're super cheap, so I would suggest getting one. So we can have extra room to kind of route this however we want, but we put the straight fitting on here. So that is now in, and see it's just running to the back. Just need to tighten up and fittings, and then I think we're ready to go and test this. Honestly, just turn on the car, make sure there's no leaks as Figs suggest. Then yeah, I think we will have our catch can installed. It'll be cool to run this. I'll probably go out for a little drive later, see if I catch anything in the catch can, and then we'll know that's working. All right, we are all set up. Engine cover does still fit. And even here with this kit, you get a little dipstick so you can check how much oil's in on it. So that's pretty cool. So we're about to do a startup. I'm gonna check over short-term and long-term fuel values and see if anything looks weird.